Hello everyone, I am Nisike Clement pursuing finally a BCom at Seshadripuram Degree College, Mysuru. Today I am going to present on the topic marketing mix. Let's get into the topic. The term marketing mix was coined by Neil H. Borden of Harvard Business School of America. He admitted that in order to satisfy the needs of customers, a business firm must develop a strategy in the form of marketing mix. So, according to Neil H. Borden, marketing mix is the strategy to a business firm. Next slide is the definition of marketing mix. There are various authors who define marketing mix in their perception, and R.V. Dever is one among them. According to him, the policies adopted by manufacturers to attain success in the market constitute the marketing mix. So, likewise, there are many authors define marketing mix in their perception. There are five important steps involved in marketing mix. They are identifying customers, analyzing the needs of customers, designing product mix, test marketing, and adopting marketing mix. Let's go through in one by ones. Identifying customers. So, identifying the present and prospective customers to whom the products are to be sold is very important. This function is done by the marketing department of the business enterprise. Next step is analyzing the needs of customers. After identifying the customers, the next step is to understand and analyze the needs and desires of customers. So, in this process, the location of customers, their size, their taste, number, buying power, and buying motives are also analyzed. Next, designing product mix. After analyzing the need of customer, an approximate mix of product, price, promotion, and channel of distribution must be designed. So after designing the product, it has to be tested in market. So next is test marketing. The product must be tested whether it can be permanently implemented or it can be temporary. So it should be tested among small groups of customers so that the reaction of customers are studied carefully whether the product can be implemented permanently or not. At last, adopting marketing mix. If the test marketing results was positive, then they have to adopt the marketing mix, that is after necessary modifications the marketing mix is adopted and put into practical use. So, however, the adoption should be evaluated from time to time and changes are incorporated according to necessities. So, next slide is all about elements of marketing mix. Jerome McCarthy, the well known American professor of marketing who first described the marketing mix in terms of 4 P's. He classified the marketing mix variables under 4 heads, each beginning with the alphabet P. Thus, the marketing mix denotes the combination of four major elements. It was Jerome McCarthy who coined the 4 P's of marketing mix. Neil H. Borden he coined the term marketing mix but not the elements of marketing mix. So our next slide defines that product mix. What are the 4 P's of marketing mix? One is product mix, price mix, place mix, and promotion mix. So what is product mix? Let's go through it one by one. Product mix. The first element of marketing mix is product. What is product then? Product mix is nothing but a total number of product line a company offers to its customers. It has both tangible and intangible components. So let us study what is product first. A product is nothing about that can be offered to a market for consumption that might satisfy a want of a customer. It has both tangible and intangible components. In customers' view, product is the bundle of satisfaction. So while we buy a product, we does not buy it blindly. We see its quality, quantity, rate, everything. We consider it as a bundle of satisfaction. So the manufacturer has to design a product according to the customer's taste and color. So what we studied in the steps involved in the marketing mix. So what is product mix then? The term product mix is the collection of different product types that a manufacturer produces. In the sense, a manufacturer has to produce a different product line. For example, Johnson's and Johnson's products is producing a different product line, such as Johnson's baby soap, shampoo, oil, and lotion. So in that way there are many examples which I have took only Patanjali and Apple. Even Patanjali deals in different categories of product, which include shampoo, flour, toothpaste, and biscuits, etc. And even Apple iPhone, it also deals with phones, laptops, watches, iPods, iPads, and headphones. And you can also study Bajaj Auto Limit, which has a various majority product lines such as scooters, mopeds, three wheelers. So in that way, product mix is, it is one manufacturer producing a different type of product. Next, let us know what is price mix. The second element in the marketing mix is the price. Price is the amount of money that customers have to pay for the product. Price also denotes quality in customers' mind. It is the value of the product determined by the producers. It depends on costs of production, segment, segment targeted, terms of credit to be allowed to customers, discounts, offers, allowances. So the next element is price mix. Price is nothing but the amount or a value for a particular product. So here 4 P's are connected one to one. It is also denoted by as the value of product. Determining the right price is a very difficult task. Giving a small quantity of product and keeping a large amount, it is a very difficult task, and even it is wrong where the customers does not buy our products. Therefore, while determining the right price for a product, the marketer has to take into consideration the factors which affect the pricing. If the stock is not so in price mix includes deciding on wholesale and retail prices, pricing policies. There are n number of pricing policies where we studied in PUC, in business, uh, pricing strategies, discounts, allowance, credit terms, buy one get one free offers. You can see such kind of offers in malls, Big Bazaar. So in that kind of malls, we can see that buy one get one offers. So on account of these factors, pricing research is conducted while determining the right price. So what is our next P? It is place mix. A place mix is the third element in the marketing mix is the place. Place is the delivery of the product and the right to consume it. It includes channels of distribution, transportation, warehousing, location, etc. The marketer has to recruit and link various middlemen and marketing facilities so that product can be efficiently supplied to the target market. So in price mix, this is another important marketing mix element that ensures the availability of a product at the right place. It includes all those activities that the company undertakes to take the product easily available and accessible to target consumers, that is target market. So place mix is the physical distribution of products at the right time and at the right place. It includes storage facility, location, transportation, warehousing, etc. So the marketer has to recruit a proper person or the proper middleman so that products can be efficiently supplied to the consumers. Last, the fourth P is promotion mix. The fourth element of marketing mix is the promotion. The term promotion refers to the various activities undertaken by a company to communicate its features about the product to its customers. It covers advertising, personal selling, publicity, exhibition, and demonstration of the product. Sometimes the target customers may not be aware of the new product, so this has to be done. So, promotion is the fourth and important marketing tool. The term promotion refers to the various activities undertaken by a company to communicate the features of its products to the customers. So, a different company or different manufacturers also appoint some celebrities, whereas Dhoni and Virat Kohli, we have seen many celebrities or cricket players advertising that about the product. So few manufacturers appoint celebrities for this promotion so that people may get attracted to the product very easily and buy them. So these are the four P's described by Jerome McCarthy. I hope you all have understood this marketing mix. Thank you for watching.